Every man is looking for a woman that will respect them. I gave a lady some money in a plane because of the way he showed extreme respect towards me. And immediately I just gave him. And then I saw that, oh, so naturally, every stingy man has not seen respect. A man's definition of love is different from a woman's definition of love. So when you talk about a woman and you say love, it's care and affection. But a man's language for love is not affection and care. It's like sex. Women like sex, but they don't need it. A man doesn't like say he needs sex when he's married. The reason is because if you are not married or having sex, the context is in the Bible. The consequences and the repercussions are there. So you don't even need me to add it. The Bible will speak for himself. So when a man marries or come to the place that he get a wife, he needs sex. That is why more marriage men can commit adultery. What is a man's love language? So the way you want care and touching and affection and confirmation, the definition for a man's love is respect. So when you respect a man, he thinks you love him. This is the way God put it. Instead of God using the word respect, use the word submission. And submission go deeper than respect, because submission makes you the woman behave like a fool. That means that you come so low, forgetting about yourself, that I must lie down for this man to work on me. Because once he sees that respect, he concludes that you love him. That is why Sarah them honored their husband. They were calling them Lord. So anytime Sarah look at Abraham and say, my Lord, Abraham said, what a wife I got. That's what it is. So once you don't respect a man, the man will conclude subconsciously. The man will say, this girl doesn't love me. That is why anytime your husband meet a woman that respects him more than you, and your husband is in his weakest state, he is already falling into the trap. You go to some culture, they give water to man, they bow. They taught them, they didn't know the Bible, but they taught them the principles. Some of them, they study, they bow. When the man finishes, when the man is eating, they bow. They do some things. I went to a country and I realized that everything they do, they bow. They bow, they lie down to greet, they do a lot of things. I asked one pastor, the way they do it, Pastor Matthew was, I say, is that their life? Because immediately they started doing that, it attracted me, something. And that is why I started developing. The Lord said, oh yes, the thing is attractive because that is what your spirit is looking for. Every man is looking for a woman that will respect them. I gave a lady some money in a plane because of the way he showed extreme respect towards me. And immediately I just gave him. And then I saw that, oh, so naturally, every stingy man has not seen respect.